Okay, I just received one of my Temu cordless mini chainsaws. Opening up. All right. The Devenbo 6-inch saw. Got one hand. Be patient with me. Come in the box. We have here instructions. Where's the instructions? Yeah. All right. Gloves. Saw chain. Okay. Here's the actual saw. Charger. And the battery. Tell them if the battery's charged up or not. I also come with some sunglasses. I mean, safety glasses. Excuse me. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, this is the saw out of the package. Video all around. I only got one hand. What's going on here? There. Kind of hard to put it on. Oh, I gotta push the button in. That'll be the Devenbo mini 6-inch electric chainsaw cordless. I'm gonna give a demonstration of it.